In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place trades on TradingView. We'll take a closer look at connecting a broker or using the paper trading feature for practice, as well as explore some useful tips and tricks for efficient order execution. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, understanding how to navigate TradingView's features is essential for executing your trading strategy effectively. To begin, the first thing you'll want to do is to connect a supported broker. After logging into TradingView, navigate to the Trading panel found at the bottom of your screen. This is where you can seamlessly integrate your brokerage account. Simply click to see a list of supported brokers and follow the prompts to connect your account. Alternatively, if you're looking to practice without the pressure of a real brokerage account, simply select the paper trading option. This is a fantastic way to get comfortable with placing trades without any financial risk involved. Once you're all set up with either a real broker or the paper trading account, you'll notice a trade button appear next to your account. Click it to open the order window. This is where you'll input your order parameters. You'll need to select the account and decide on the direction of your trade, either buy or sell, followed by choosing the type of order you wish to place. Your options include market, limit, stop, or stop limit. Additionally, you'll determine the quantity for your trade. It's also wise to attach stop loss and take profit orders at this stage for better risk management. These options are available directly within the order ticket, allowing you to set thresholds for automatically closing your trade at predetermined levels, either to lock in profits or minimize losses. With these steps complete, take a moment to review all the details carefully. Once you're satisfied, confirm the order to execute the trade. To make your trading experience even more efficient, TradingView offers several execution hacks that can significantly streamline the process. For instance, try on-chart execution for many brokers by clicking the plus button directly on the chart to place new orders. You can also drag existing limit orders and bracket orders, which include both stop loss and take profit orders, directly on the chart to adjust their levels. Holding the shift button while dragging allows you to move the entire bracket order simultaneously. For quicker order placement, make use of TradingView's handy keyboard shortcuts. Pressing Shift and B initiates a buy order, while Shift and S initiates a sell order. Also, the order ticket itself is highly customizable. You have the flexibility to tailor how information like price, quantity, buy, and risk is displayed, accommodating your personal preferences. Additionally, if you're looking to adjust or reset your presets, you have the option to revert back to market orders or modify order types directly from the on-screen order bracket. This ensures you remain adaptable to changes in market conditions. That wraps up the key steps to placing trades on TradingView. By following these instructions, you'll be able to efficiently navigate the platform and execute your trading strategies with confidence. Happy trading, everyone!